Two more. Last one. Good. Walk right out.
Very nice. Let's see it. Really driving right through those heels. Nice, Max. Two more. Last one. Good. Good. Right on it. Nice.
Still 5?
Well, 3 to 5. 3 to 5. So we'll say if at 3 you feel like anything feels off, go ahead and rack it. If it feels good, let's get to 5. Big air, bracing that core, leading with those elbows out of the bottom. Nice. Here we go. Elbows up, good. Last one. Good, walk it right on back. Just like that last one, man. Let's make this happen. Just a little wider with, yeah, big air, driving those hips back, driving those knees out. Let's get it. Let's go. Driving right through those heels. 2 more. Last one. Good. Seems nice though. And everything you've told me about her seems like she's a great fit, so.
We'll see.
Let's get it. Here we go. Way to reset. Smart, man. Good. 2 more. Last one. Big air. Elbows up. Nice.